Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to clear Google search history in Chrome. So to start, open Chrome, then sign into your account. Next, click your profile in the top right corner. Then select Manage your Google account. Next, on the left sidebar, click Data and Privacy. Now go to Personalization and Activity, then select My Activity. Now in here, you can scroll down. Then here you can search your activity. You can filter by date and product. You can also click this delete button right here, then choose last hour, last day, all time, or custom range. So let's select all time for example. You can select all, then click next, click delete, and that's it. Click got it. Next, you can also click web and app activity right here. Then if this is turned on, you can turn it off. You can also enable auto delete. You can choose 18 months, 36 months, etc. Then confirm the action. Next, you can also clear Chrome browsing history. So this removes your browsing history stored in Chrome, including Google searches made in the browser. So again, open Chrome and click the three dots in the top right corner, then select delete browsing data. Choose a time range, such as last hour or all time. Then check cookies and other site data and cache images and files. Then go to the bottom and click delete data. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.